The mantra I use when designing just about anything is beauty is second to function, but both can exist in a well-designed product. My name is TJ Schwarz. I'm from Boise, Idaho. I'm a knife designer. I got into knife designing probably about 5 or 6 years ago. So I grew up in a little town called Salmon, Idaho. It's on the Montana border.
I'm Shaman Goldrick. I'm one of the co-owners here at Millit Knives. Millit Knives was established in Boise, Idaho in 2011. One of the big driving factors for us here at Millit is being a US-based manufacturer. We're very particular on our labor force. I mean, we hire and push some of the best guys that are experienced in the knife industry. It's tough competition. So we constantly have to figure out how to evolve, how to be better, how to be faster, and how to constantly just stay ahead of the curve with our competitors in the industry.
Massdrop approached me about doing an EDC carry workhorse knife. So this is a knife that we intended to be in your pocket every day, no matter what you do. So we sat down with that in mind, and what we came up with was the Perpetua.
This knife is designed to be carried in your pocket and used in your everyday tasks. So things that we did is we chose strong steel, 303 stainless steel for the liners, super durable material for the overlays, which is G10, and then the blade itself, we went with Nitro-V. Has a lot of great properties in it that make it a really good performance-based everyday carry steel.
So the Perpetua blade features what I would call a single arc cutting edge. With the singular arc for the cutting edge, the tip is more reinforced. The blade profile to me, I think, is just very aesthetically pleasing. We chose to go with hollow grind on the Perpetua. The hollow grind is an excellent slicing grind. It stays thinner longer near the edge, and that also makes it so that you can sharpen it more times over the life of the knife.
The goal is longevity and durability, the ability to service your knife and keep a sharp cutting edge for a long period of time. Our approach to a hollow grind is a little different. Over time, we've developed a process to be able to CNC hollow grind. We CNC hollow grind on a 3-axis CNC mill. It allows us to quickly and effectively do a hollow grind on a blade while maintaining a very precise edge geometry.
The Perpetua features a locking mechanism that has a spring-loaded crossbar that engages the tang of the blade. It serves as the detent in closed position and also the lock in open position. One of the beauties about the lock also is that the lock pin is able to freely rotate. That means that it's going to wear on the 360 degrees of the surface, whereas most other locking mechanisms have a single point of contact. This is something that's going to give the knife a lot more usability in the long term when you're using it day in and day out.
Massdrop is a great company to be partnering with on a project. Anytime a product bears the Millit name, we want to make sure that it's not half-heartedly approached. So to be working with a company like Massdrop that takes that seriously, it gives us the opportunity to know that we're going to be partnering with a good company.
I'm really excited to see this knife hit the Massdrop community because in my experience, I've found that these people really care. So it's cool to have a customer base that you know is going to respect this product for what it is.